Hello students, exercise 8.4, fifth sum, first part. And the problem is that by using the trigonometrical identities, prove it. These are the relations and these are three important identities. And without using these identities, without understanding these identities, we cannot solve. Now, when you have to prove it, either you take the left hand side and get the right hand side, or you take right hand side and get the left hand side, or you solve both the side and get them equal. Now here I am taking the left hand side. I can start with the right hand side also. So when we start with left hand side, please see cosec theta is 1 upon sin theta minus cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta whole square. See this part. Now take the LCM. The LCM is sin theta, not sin square theta. So it is 1 minus cos theta. And again it is whole square. If you separate 1 minus cos theta whole square and the denominator will be sin square theta. Sin square theta. Now look at this. Sin square plus cos square is 1. So what can be the sin square now? 1 minus cos square. So in the next step, 1 minus cos theta whole square and 1 minus cos square theta. See the important step now. Now, here 1 minus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta because it is whole square. So both the quantities will be similar. And denominator is a square minus b square formula. So 1 minus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta. See the difference. So this part is cancelled here. And what we have got? 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. So we have started from left hand side and we have reached to the right hand side. So we can say hence it is proved. So these type of sums are important from the examination point of view. I am taking the next problem. Problem number 2. Yes, see the second sum. We'll go for LCM. I am starting with the left hand side, this part, and we'll reach to this part. So go for the LCM. It is cos A 1 plus sin A. Now 1 plus sin A cancelled and cos it will be cos square A. Cos and cos cancelled, it is 1 plus sin A whole square. Please see this part. Now if you open the bracket, it is cos A and 1 plus sin A. So it is cos square A plus B whole square formula. So A square plus 2AB plus B square. See this formula. A square plus 2AB plus B square. Now cos square and sin square will be 1. So write it 1 here. This 1 and it is 2 sin A. 2 sin A. Now next part is cos A and 1 plus sin. It will remain as it is. Now you see 1 plus 1 plus 2. We cannot add like this because this 2 is with sin A. This is a different quantity. These two are like terms. So 1 plus 1, it can be 2 plus 2 sin A upon cos A and 1 plus sin A. So now we can take 2 common and it is 1 plus sin A upon cos A and 1 plus sin A. So this part and this part cancelled. And 2 upon cos A will be what? 2 sec A. So the answer is 2 sec A. That is, we have got the right hand side for this particular sum. So I hope this sum is clear to you. I am taking more sums in my next videos. Yes, now see the next problem. It is root 1 plus sin A upon 1 minus sin A and we have to get sec A minus tan A. This problem is very important because there can be 4 sums. This is plus here, minus here, it can be reverse. तो फिर यहाँ पे रिवर्स हो जाएगा, और 1 plus cos 1 minus cos, और वो भी रिवर्स हो सकता है. So there are 4 and all these 4 are having the similar method. See, 1 plus sin A upon 1 minus sin A. So we have to rationalize, that is, if it is minus sign, we will multiply with plus sign. This is a standard method for these type of sums. Now, you see the numerator. The numerator is 1 plus sin A whole square and 1 minus sin square. It is A plus B, so A plus B whole square, and here it is A plus A minus B and A plus B, so A square minus B square formula. So the next part is 1 plus sin A whole square upon cos square A. And now you can understand this square, square and root. So the next part will be 1 plus sin A upon cos A. See this, 1 plus sin A, this root and square will cancel. And if you write 1 upon cos A and sin A upon cos A. Now what is 1 upon cos A? See this, it is sec A. And what is sin A upon cos A? It is tan A. Tan A. Please see this, tan. Yes? Actually it is plus sign here. I made a mistake. So we have got plus here. It is not minus, it is plus. So in this way, we can get the left hand side is equal to right hand side. And if it is minus here, then it will be minus here. That is the important part and the important difference here. So I hope this part is clear to you. You revise these type of sums. They are important, and the important part is this one. The problem number 5, third part, fourth part and fifth part, that I'll explain you in the online class, the Zoom class. So please attend the class regularly. Yes, these are the important sums which I'll explain you live. So see that you always attending the live classes, the students, those who are not attending. Thank you.